Quick video on some of the main features of TeachSpark. The easiest way to start is just using the template library. Just select a template, any one, doesn't matter. You can also select how many questions you want. Every lesson or activity takes 5 to 7 minutes, which is kind of a long time, but when you see what it creates. So this is what it created. If you want to print a worksheet, it's on the card. You just select print worksheet, and you'll have a printed worksheet that goes along with the lesson, the integrated lesson that was created in TeachSpark. If you want to generate an answer key from that, you just click on answer key. Again, it takes a while because these are comprehensive activities and parts and pieces, resources that TeachSpark creates. To generate a lesson plan, you select the Generate Lesson Plan button, and you can create a lesson plan. The link for activity is embedded into the lesson plan, so you can create a whole lesson around an activity you build in TeachSpark. You can save it to the lesson plan page, so they're never lost. You can download it, you can copy it, so you can put it in Google Docs and edit it if you like. So there's a lot of different options for lesson plans. You can add anything on the card, from the card, to your Google Calendar. You just select the calendar and then you put it in whatever date you want to actually teach the lesson or run the activity. If you see the calendar icon there, you can create Blooket sets with different numbers of questions. It creates a CSV file for you, which you can easily upload into Blooket, and you have a question set ready. It matches the activity that you were using. So there's synergy between the activity you created and the Blooket sets you use. So if you're working on a certain subject or a concept at that time, you have several different ways to have students go through assessments and learn the different concepts and subjects that you're dealing with at the time. You can also use the activity to create a simple multiple choice question. So obviously multiple choice is what's in Blooket, but you can also create your own multiple choice questions from an activity that's been generated. So there's several different things you can do with any activity that's been generated in TeachSpark. And you just use a link or QR code, a class code to share. Students do not need an account. They just put in their name. You can organize your dashboard with folders. Everything is drag and drop. So you can drag and drop the activities into different folders. No matter what type of activity you've created, you can just drag and drop it into the folder. You can rename folders. You can do whatever you want with folders. Again, you can generate different versions with the Learning Path button, versions of different activities. Depending on the students in your class, you might want to differentiate with activities. That's very easy to do with the Learning Path button. Those are the major features of TeachSpark.